So I want to show off this handheld wireless vac. And here's the battery pack, which comes out and you can recharge. It's very lightweight. So you can open this up here. You can remove the filter as well. There's instructions on the side glued in, and that's really a good thing because we're gonna lose them. So you can remove this part, sorry, one hand. And let's see, it's actually really easy if you have two hands, but since I don't. The brush is really great. It's very wide, really nice. And then it can turn into this charging hanger, and then another corner brush. And like I said, the adjustment, there's a height adjustment on the back right here. So it adjusts here, and then while you're standing, you can lift it up to your height. Here's the main head brush, which is really nice. It's very large and moves around quite easily. So, and then just want to show it off. Here's the plug. They included little screws as well. And like I said, it was really easy to change this out, but it is much better if it's standing and you have two hands doing this. So let me just stand this up and turn it on. Okay, great. So turn on is here, and this just came in, so I haven't charged it yet, but I want to show it off and what it sounds like. So here we go. All right, and then you can adjust the speed. It's a touchless right here. I found the second is really good and gives you a lot of suction. Super easy to maneuver. And if you need a little bit more, you can just adjust it. Picking up really well. I can really feel that suction. It's really good. Really getting a lot of stuff off. You can see it here. So it picked up quite a lot of debris, as we can see. Overall, great. Very lightweight, which I really like. And I like the adjustments quite a bit, just because the width is really unusual. It's much bigger than most. And it's really great for these quarter rounds, a baseboard, and, you know, dusting this or whatever, stairs if you want. Overall, great.
Hi, Blake here with another review. This is for this Trucozie. Either way. I like to give a good stress test, so that's my excuse for not keeping my place clean. And I will say, it is pretty darn effective and impressive. And I really like that front headlight it has. So as you can see, it like swivel turns. Oh, that was on low. I totally forgot about that. Yeah, this thing is pretty awesome. Watch out, Dyson. Because my Dyson isn't this good. And granted, it's about 10 years old, but that is very impressive. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give this 5 stars for sure. It does come with a good amount of other attachments, but no, like, so essentially you have, let me pause real quick. Okay, so I just wanted to show again, so you just tap, so you have low fan mode, but either way, it is like pulling with it. Like, it just sucked up big chunk. This is almost like shop vac level suction. If it got that, oh my god, okay. Well, that is, yeah, this is very impressive. Yeah, I would 100% recommend this. I will say that the, like I just used up, looks like a quarter of the battery. So the battery life isn't superb, but honestly, for how much power and what it's doing, I mean, no matter what, this is getting 5 stars. I'm just trying to decide if this is gonna officially replace all my Dyson stuff. Yeah, 5 stars, 100%. Love it. And the emptying aspect is pretty simple too. So, give me 1 second. So you basically press that button I was pushing, and then you can... I love the front side emptying style. Oh my god, look at all that gunk. Yeah, this is definitely well worth the money and then some. And I've tested out quite a few vacuums, so I say that with good confidence.
Okay, this is level 1, and I like it because I can kind of get up on top of this carpet, and it doesn't pick up the carpet too much. My regular vacuum will pick up this carpet, and I can't vacuum it this way. So this is great. I do like this. This is level 1. I can also go to 2. I guess I have to try level 2. I don't know how to do level 2. Actually, I don't know how to change it. How do you change it? Oh, okay. So that's a little stronger. Now you can see what this is going to do. Okay, let's go over here. Here's the mask. This is level 2. Well, I'll try it on level 1 first. Level 2. Wow, that looks so good on level 2. Let's go over here. I don't want to vacuum this because my regular vacuum will clear it out. Let's see. Yeah, level 2 works great. Level 2 is too powerful over in the other areas. You can see, let's see how that picks up. That's pretty good. Let's go over here. Here's some core, I believe, right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that picks up pretty good. Here's some kitty. Nice thing is the cat doesn't get freaked out. Sometimes my cat freaks out when I get out the vacuum, but you can see how close I'm getting to him. He's not too freaked out. Okay, it's looking pretty good. I'm very happy with it.
And here's our new little vacuum cleaner. Portable, easy to use. Your on-off button up here. Turn it on. You've got different fan speeds, suction speeds. I like that it has a light on it, so you can see things. And if you want to change the fittings, real easy. You push the button and you've got different attachments you can put on. So you can get into corners or and get up under things. You could do it like a curtain. It's got the brush on it. And then you've got your corner and crevice tool. That, well, if I line it up correctly, snaps right on. And you can get into your corners and crevices. Nice, lightweight, easy unit to use.